See, in this class, what we are going to see is a few points about very important things. Okay, world famous, that is canal irrigation and the world longest platform, and so many things we are going to see in this class. Okay. See, El Nino means little boy in Spanish. That is South American fishermen first noticed an unusual warm water flow in the Pacific Ocean in 1600s. Okay, who observed? It is a fisherman. He observed unusual warm water flow in Pacific Ocean. Okay, so what is El Nino in the sense? El Nino is an observation, that is El Nino is a condition of unusual, okay, unusual climatic change. So nowadays what the researchers or the scientists are doing, in the sense they are continuously monitoring where in the world this conditional change, okay, a climatic change occurred, that was observed by the scientists. Okay, that condition is called as El Nino condition. El Nino condition. Okay. Next one, see, Chilika Lake in Odisha is the largest saline water lake in India. Keep in mind. Okay, largest saline water lake in India is Chilika Lake in Odisha. Next one, Vembanad Lake in Kerala is the longest lake in India. This is largest and this is longest. Vembanad in Kerala. Now, Cholamu Lake in Sikkim. Cholamu Lake in Sikkim is the highest lake. Okay. So keep in mind, this is highest, this is longest, and this is largest. Okay. Next one, orographic rainfall. What is orographic rainfall in the sense? During how the rain comes, you all know. So the flow of wind is checked by the mountains or hills. So that what happened? This will be precipitated as rainfall. Okay, precipitate, the water molecules precipitated and form the clouds, and that region they get the rainfall. So this type of rainfall is called as orographic rainfall or orographic precipitation. Okay, so India, if you take India, mainly the rainfall is orographic. Okay, the rainfall in India is mainly orographic. You all know that this is, let us take, this is India. Okay, and all the region we can find this is Eastern Ghats, this is Western Ghats, and this is Himalaya. So most of the rain we are getting, in the sense that is because of this orographic precipitation. Okay. Perennial rivers. What do you mean by perennial rivers? Perennial river, in the sense the water flow will be throughout the year in the rivers. Okay, so those rivers are called as perennial rivers. So there are 10 perennial rivers in India. First one, Brahmaputra, Ganges, Ghagghar, Indus, Yamuna, Mahanadi, Sutlej, Tapti. These are the 4 perennial rivers. So the irrigation is canal irrigation. Okay, irrigation is canal irrigation. What we say in North India, the irrigation is canal irrigation. Why? In the sense, throughout the year they are getting the water for their irrigation. So what they do, in the sense, they construct a canal, artificial canal, and there the water comes, in the sense they pump it to their field. Okay, from the canal directly they take for the field. So this irrigation is called as canal irrigation. Okay, you can see clearly in the picture. Next one is South India. South India does not have any perennial rivers, right? So what type of irrigation is here? In the sense, tank irrigation, this is called as. Why? In the sense, we are not having the perennial rivers, so what we are doing, we are storing the water in the tank. Okay, and we are making use of irrigation. So why this irrigation is called as tank irrigation? So tank irrigation is in southern part of India. Next one, world's longest dam. Where is, see, we have to be very proud of this. Okay, so where is this one? In the sense, it is in Odisha. That dam is called as Hirakud. Hirakud Reservoir, okay, which is the longest dam in the world. Okay, its length is 55 kilometer. 55 kilometer. Keep in mind. Next one, Brahmaputra River. River Brahmaputra. It starts from the Tibet and it comes to India. Okay, when it comes into India only, it is called as Brahmaputra. Okay, and it coming and emptying in the Bay of Bengal. And here, where in Tibet, this river is called as Sangpo River. Sangpo River. Okay, in Tibet. When it come into the India, it is called as Brahmaputra, and this is sixth longest river in Asia. Okay, sixth longest river in Asia. The length you want to know in the sense it is 2,900 kilometer. 2,900 kilometer and sixth longest river in Asia. In Asia. Okay. Now next one, see Narmada River. Narmada River is one of the longest river in India. Longest river in India, running for over 1,312 kilometers, and where it starts in the sense, it starts in Amarkantak. Okay, this place Amarkantak, and it supplies the water for 3 states. Okay, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. Okay. So it supplies its water, and then at last it come into this Cambay. It is called this. Okay, Gulf of Cambay. Next one is Godavari. Godavari starts from the Western Ghats, okay, and into the central India near Nasik in Maharashtra. It is 80 kilometer from the Arabian Sea. Okay, then it flows into how many kilometer it flows in the sense 1,465 kilometer it flows. Okay, and it enter into East Godavari district and West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, and then splits into two, and then it ends in Bay of Bengal. Okay. Coming to the next one, it is world's longest railway platform. This is Hubli, and it is also called as Hubli. Okay, it is also having one more name, Siddharuda Swamiji Hubli Junction. Siddharuda Swamiji Hubli Junction. Okay, and it is operated by Southwestern Railways. Very important point is here, that is about NH44. What is NH44? It is the longest running major national highway. The longest running major highway is in India. In India is NH44. Okay, previously it is called as NH7. And from where it starts in the sense, it starts from Srinagar and terminates in Kanyakumari. Okay, so very important. And how it is coming in the sense, let us see. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so all these areas it is covering and coming. At last it terminates in Kanyakumari. Now next one, CHs are the mode of transport in glaciated region. Okay, on this region the mode of transport is CHs. Next one, Mandarin. Mandarin is a language. Mandarin is a language that is spoken by a large number of people in the world. Okay, and if you see the countries China and Taiwan, their language is Mandarin. Next one, Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea is present here. You can see here Baltic Sea. The very important point of Baltic Sea is volcanic eruption does not occur in the sea. Okay, does not occur in the sea. Which one? Volcanic eruption. Next one. During 1803, Garhwal earthquake occurred in the early morning of September 1 at 1:30 local time. The estimated magnitude is 7.8. Okay, this is due to the clash of Indian plate and Chinese plate. This is also very important point for TNPSC, so note it. Then child stunting. Child stunting in the sense the child, see for example, if a child of 10 years old is this much height, in the sense the child growth, okay, or the height will be stunned. This is because of the climatic changes. This is because of the climatic changes. Okay, so climatic changes, that one on 2050, this may become 35% in India due to the climatic change, that may chronic result on or recurrent malnutrition on the children. Okay, on children. Which one? The climatic change. Who is the reason for the climatic change? Is human. What we are making the earth more utilization of the earth material, and we are distracting the earth by utilizing more resources. Okay, more resources, and we are releasing so much amount of chemicals into the earth. Okay, that cause the climatic change, and also constructing of tall buildings around the earth. I can show you. See, this is the earth in the sense, constructing tall building. Now the scientists, they found out that this may have one of the cause of the what we call earth is rotating every day. Every day it is rotating and it is revolving around the sun, isn't it? This rotation is affected by the buildings. Okay, buildings, and continuously we are excavating so many materials from the earth. We are digging the earth. We are digging the earth, and we are taking all the resources from inside, and we are making it outside. Okay, so we are making the earth hollow. Okay, hollow. So these are the reasons for the tsunamis, earthquakes, and so many things. Okay, so let us conserve the earth and let us save our future generation. Okay, now next one, see, compressed natural gas. What is compressed natural gas? This is short form is CNG. Okay, it's a fuel gas mainly composed of methane, CH4, compressed less than 1% of the volume. So what is compressed natural gas? It is nothing but, it is major part is methane only. The short form is CNG. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching and subscribing this channel. Share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exam and also participating in DEO exam and other competitive exams. Thank you so much.